I'm wearing my hair dyeing shirt, which means that I'm about to do something stupid, which I am. I got a new tattoo, which is fun. So now I have two. I'm trying to distract from this video because I'm gonna do something stupid. I'm actually gonna do multiple stupid things that I vowed I wouldn't be doing. Today I'm gonna be doing this hairstyle. This hair color, rather. It got sent to me on Instagram by this person, and when I saw it, I was like, what is this color? It is weird. What is this? But then I looked at it again, and I was like, I have two of the colors in this currently on my hair, and technically it's a very easy color to achieve. Not to mention that I would look freaking sick. And I was like, alright, let me try it. The problem, yellow is an incredibly hard color to achieve because it is sometimes considered the lightest color of the color spectrum. It needs such a white base for it to show up. Putting it anywhere on this is gonna do nothing. It's just going to warm up my color, which means that to achieve any semblance of yellow on my hair, I would have to bleach. Bleach my hair. Last October I cut off all of my hair and I vowed that I wouldn't touch bleach to my hair for like years to come, because bleach is universally accepted as an incredibly damaging thing, and people in the comments decide to constantly give me grief for damaging my hair so thoroughly every single month. And I was like, that's okay, I'm not going to bleach my hair, I'm just going to let it grow. Well, it's March and I'm bleaching. I'm only going to be bleaching this bit of my hair. As you can see, I've got a ton of regrowth. A 10 volume developer will be totally enough to bleach it to the right level because my hair lifts very easily. I have my bleach. It is this one. It is by Schwarzkopf. I love it. I use a lot of it. This smells like a shower gel. If you never bleached your hair before, you're missing out. No, you're not. But it smells nice. Fun fact, bleach is often blue so that when it's processing, the blue in this actively work to cancel out the yellow or the brassiness of the hair. Completely pointless in this case because we're going for yellow, but it's a good thing to know. I have to film the before portion for my Instagram videos and also for you guys to get an idea. Here it is. Up to 9 levels of lift, bond enforcing premium lightener, 9+ levels, dust-free powder. Ooh, fun. I have my colorful gloves over here because I believe in creativity in the workplace. This is the workplace. I also have this obscenely wide bra. But it's gonna be cool because you can like do this and you're done. As I said, because my roots are super light, I can go in with pretty much a very low level hydrogen peroxide, which is what developer is, and it's gonna be enough to lighten it to level 9, which is kind of what I want. 7 volume, which is 2%, and mixing a tiny amount of the same one in 20 volume to create a 10 volume bleach mixture. If your hair is darker than mine, it would probably make more sense to go in with a higher volume developer. Let's mix up the bleach. Hello, it's me, Bleach. I don't know how much bleach I need because I've never just bleached my roots. So we're going in with a lot. Okay, 45. Sure. 7 volume. Hi, sexy. Hi. Do 40 of this. And then we just do 10 ml of 20 volume. 3, 2, 1, spah! Make it good, make it great. Where we go big time. Yeah. I can feel it start to burn my scalp, cause bleach does that sometimes. But it's worth it cause it's working and I wanted it this time. Here's a cool fun fact about me. I can make up jingles about pretty much everything and anything in my life. I'm bleaching my hair once again so I can keep up with the trend. And then I'm gonna rock it and feel myself a flaunt it, cause that's the point of living like me. I really should be hurrying a bit more with this because bleach processes hella fast and not be taking my time and sing them. But it also makes it more fun, so you know, You can't have it both ways. You're also meant to avoid putting bleach directly on your scalp because it burns the daylights out of it. Also, bleach moves upwards and it would, you know, bleach that hair anyways. But because I'm bleaching such a small section, I can't really avoid it, you know. There's only so much I could do. Guy Tang and Brad Monto, don't sue me because I know what I'm doing. I'm just being lazy. Thank you. I can't keep up with trends. Here comes the hard part. The back of my head. My hair is so short, it's gonna fall and I'm gonna have very little control over what I'm bleaching, so wish me luck. I kind of don't want to turn my head for you guys to see, so you guys can't really see how badly I'm doing. No idea what I'm doing officially. I don't know. Okay, I'm almost 100% certain there are patches of hair that I did not manage to bleach because they are hard to get to because my hair is super short and it just falls everywhere. So if that's the case, please ignore them. But my hair, the bleaches on my hair, as you could see, blonde, yay! I'm gonna leave this on for like 10 more minutes and then wash it all off, and then I'm probably gonna dry it again so that then I can go ahead and go in with the yellow dye. Yellow and maybe orange, I will see it. Yay, bye! Hey, at least the bleaching is even. Look at this, even bleaching. It's like all a very nice level. A lot of people telling me in my life to like try blonde, and I hope this is going to like help explain why I don't want to try blonde, because it blends so far into like everything that it looks like I'm bald. Look, this is all hair. It just doesn't show. I have my bowls over here and I am kind of going back and forth as to whether to just go in with yellow dyes or go in with like an orange one as well. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Hi, look! So I've got these three colors over here. Cosmic Sunshine by Arctic Fox, Poison by Arctic Fox, and Twisted Lemon by Bleach London. All of the colors that I basically want to channel. Just going to go basically on here, and then I'm going to mix up quite a vibrant orangey color that's gonna go here. I'm really happy with how much it's faded in general. I'm not gonna touch black to this, I'll be honest. So this is staying as is, and all the dye is going to be focused till around here. I've never used this one before, so I'm going to start with this one. It's cool. It's a really, really fun color yellow called Twisted Lemon. Let's try it out. I'm going to go in with Cosmic Sunshine. Here's how it's looking so far, but it still looks just a hint too neon for me. So I'm going to add the teensy weensiest of Poison, which is kind of this cool orange color, but it's also, from what I remember, freaking intense. So I want to darken it up like that much. Okay, and that's the dye that's gonna go on my roots. It looks freaking cool. Yellow is a beautiful color. For the orange part of my hair, since this is, again, super intense, I'm gonna go in with the same base of yellows, but just add a more of this dye. Like, it's actually, never mind, it's not orange, it's full on red.
Is for Black mental health and Cayu's eradication of the Black boards in favor of their white boards only policy. Dude, that was sick. Oh, my G, you bodied. Really? You guys think I did okay? Yeah. Sick.
Your diction was excellent. Two women that ran fast and used their platform to make a difference. It was really strange being in the same place as Doug and not getting to laugh or joke with him. Guess this is our new normal.
Yesterday, was it that bad?
No, God, no, not at all. It's just like you were obviously upset, and I didn't feel like it was my place to check on you.
Unifies them, but also sends a clear message.
Hawkins.
So, thanks again, freshman.
Oh, I thought you weren't calling me that anymore.
Yeah, well, dropout seemed a little sad, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
In the private prison system, a system that
Guys, that we now have an invitation to the next board meeting. Yeah!
Our own bond without any old feelings coming between us.
Of course. And I learned that even though you may know something deep down inside, sometimes you need to hear it said out loud.
If you ask me, I think that there's a...
Aaron, I didn't. We are now out of time.
You sure?
So yeah, I'm positive. Thank you so much for joining.
All right.
So I'm now contemplating what the hell to do with my ends because I still have orange dye left and I don't know if like dyeing it, the rest of it would make sense. Screw it, what do we have to lose? I leave this on for 40 minutes, wash it off, style it, and then show you what it looks like. Fingers crossed it's gonna look good. Because I don't know, the colors are really, really dope and they look amazing. But I might wash it off and it might look disgusting. So we're gonna see that together. Yay! Bye. I can't tell if it's cool or stupid. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that before I actually like styled it and everything, just so you could like laugh, because I laughed. On the bright side, I think it's making my teeth appear whiter because this is so yellow. So it's like, okay, anyways, I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna figure out what like cool vibe to give it. And make it work. It is working. I just have to make it work with my skin. Okay, I'll see you when it's done. Bye.
Ischemia.
I mean, it's a stretch for a kid, but if he had vascular problems.
It's in the neighborhood of you were right.
I mean, what happened?
They took out more than 2 grams of blood.
This repair or this patient is toast. To feel heard, not to feel respected. Be the chief.
Maybe I was trying to screw you into submission. Maybe I was trying to connect. Hey, Torres.
Where are they taking my husband? He's going into surgery. His doctor will let us know more soon.
What do you got?
Traumatic amputation with your left system humerus.
It's got the odds for it.
Her husband is in surgery. She's married.
Just saying that you think you're married. His $50 says he makes a move. I don't like people staring at me.
We're gonna do everything that we can.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please present to you the most fiery, exciting, bold-ass color of the year. As I present to you, Fire Stella. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. What? What? Someone left a comment a while ago on one of my videos saying that I feel myself too much and that I hype myself up too much and that I'm too confident and it comes off as obnoxious and everything. And I'm just like, I'm sorry. Do you want me to complain? Do you want me to pretend I don't enjoy these things? Because I'll be honest, I didn't think this was gonna work out, especially when I saw my slightly botched bleach job. I was like, I thought to myself, this isn't gonna work out. But it did. And I did my makeup and I spent like an hour on it. So I'm gonna hype myself up and I'm gonna enjoy it and I'm gonna feel myself. Oh my god. Some people said that I will never get the black out of my hair. This is not black. This is now going on to like some weird, I don't know, like almost mid-level brown. Like there's no black anywhere in my hair anymore. In fact, it's now become like super dimensional because it's like fading. I'll be honest, when I rinsed off the hair and I like dried it and whatever, I was a bit skeptical. And by skeptical, I mean severely shocked. The color was a bit wild. It was a bit wild even for me, and I realized that yellow does not suit me, my skin at least. Like it took a while to make it work. I used my hair as inspo, but I made it work. It looks cool. It works. It looks like the Hot Wheels logo. Look at it. Ah, oh my god. It looks wilder when I pull it up. Look at it. So this is how the hair turned out. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. Has been one of the, I can't speak, I'm so nervous. This has been one of the most insane hair transformations, probably because I didn't really know what to expect. I started doing it based on that picture. I didn't like the picture at first, so I was like, there was a lot of like mixed emotions, confusion, uncertainty. But it pulled through, and this is a killer look. It's fun. It's a fun thing. It's definitely stepping outside of the box, and it's unique, and I like it. It's cool. I'm going to link the entire procedure down below with all of the colors, procedures, whatever, linked so you can try it. But again, you can realistically do this with any bleach and with any hair color. They just have to be right. I also got these bomb new earrings. Actually, both the earrings and this are from Happiness Boutique. And I love them because they're funky. They speak to my soul. If you want, I'm gonna link them down below. I also have a coupon code for you guys to use. Feel free to go ahead and use it. You also have some fun discounts, which are also in the description box. So go ahead, live your life. Go purchase and also dye your hair. I'm gonna leave you now because I'm tired. I spent an entire 6 hours with this from start to finish. So I'm gonna go have dinner, enjoy myself, take some fun pictures. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a look, and I will see you in my next video.